Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shut down Windows Defender on Windows 11. If you want to turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11, maybe it's blocking an app or you are using another antivirus. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to completely shut down Windows Defender step by step. Let's go. So first, we will disable the real-time protection, which is the main antivirus scanner running in the background. So you can just open the Start menu and then type in Windows Security in here on the search bar. And here, this is the option. You can just click on it and then click the Virus and Threat Protection. And under the virus and threat protections in settings, there will be these options to manage settings. Click on that. And here you can just toggle the real-time protections to off. This one, like this. And then you can just click on yes if prompted by user account control. So if you are using Windows 11 Pro, you can also disable the Defender permanently using group policy. And that's how to shut down Windows Defender on Windows 11, whether temporarily or permanently. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. And let me know in the comments if you need help with any specific method. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!